Hi friends, it's Miss Dana. How are you? So we're out here at my garden and I just wanted to show you how I do things here. So since I'm outside my house, first thing I'm gonna do is put on my mask. It just goes over my mouth and around my ears. And this is just so I keep everyone around me safe. Next thing I'm gonna do, because I'll be kneeling on the ground, I'm gonna put on some knee pads. So they open right here. I'm just gonna stick it on my knee. There's one, and here's the second one. Just right over my knee. Nice and tight. All right, got my knee pads on. I'm gonna tighten this one a little bit. There we go. Got 1, 2 knee pads. And we're gonna take care of my garden. Let me get on my knees with my knee pads. I have lots of different plants in my garden. I have these flowers. They're called lantana. Can you say lantana? I've got them in this pink color. I've got them in yellow. I've also got basil. The chefs use basil at the little school when they cook for us. I've got some rosemary. You can also eat rosemary. And way in the back, I've got a leaf called sorrel, and it makes really yummy salad. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is water my plants. I like to start in this corner, so I'm gonna water my lantana flowers first. There's 1, 2, 3 lantanas, 4 lantanas, 5 lantanas, 6 lantanas, 7 lantanas have been watered in my garden. Next, I'm gonna water my basil. 1, 2. Now I will water my rosemary. 1 rosemary, 2 rosemary. And the last thing I'm gonna water is my sorrel. You see my pinwheel in the background? All right, let's water this sorrel. Way in the back. 1 and 2. One last thing before I go. There are some buggies that like to eat my plants. So I'm gonna spray so that the buggies stay away, and I'm not gonna hurt them. They just don't like how this spray smells. It's called neem oil. It's a kind of oils that buggies don't like. So I'm gonna spray the sorrel way in the back because the buggies really like it. So I'm just gonna spray all over my sorrel. And maybe I'll spray a little around my rosemary and basil because these are the ones that you can eat. Alrighty, that's all done, friends. I'm so glad you came to my garden with me and counted all of my green plants and pink and yellow flowers. I'll see you later. Bye.